This might be the only way to start your day. Learn how to make the perfect breakfast potatoes in just under 5 minutes. Come on, let's do this. So let's turn up our pan to medium heat. I'm using non-stick. Doesn't really matter what you're using, just make sure you're up at medium heat. We're using 1 strip of bacon for its fat, for its seasoning, and for its flavor. Simply dice 1/4 of an onion. Easy peasy, bada bing bop boop beep boop bop. There you go, easy, done. Now we're gonna do 1/4 of green and red bell pepper. You can do all green or you can do all red, it doesn't matter. I just mix it up for aesthetics. You do you, how you doing? Yeah, so this is just adding nice color variety. It's not like super necessary. You can totally do one of each color or just one color. Moving on now, jalapeno, totally optional. I like my food with a kick. I like that spicy good, so you gotta do with that what you must. Slice and dice, how you doing? Pan is good, we're up to heat. So now I'm adding a little bit of ghee to help the non-stick effect of a stainless steel pan with bacon. Sometimes bacon can stick, so depends on what you're using. Now we're gonna use about 1 golden potato or half a russet potato. This is for 1 serving, guys, so scale this recipe up and down as you please. Make sure you dice the potato well because we want a nice, easy, crispy golden fry on all sides of those little potato dice. So just you know, try to make it small, try to make it choppy, try to make it good. That's all I'm saying. So next you're just gonna keep the bacon cooking to your preference. You like extra crispy, you like soft. I like somewhere in the middle, so I'm about to pull the bacon off here in just a second. I like where it's at, you do you. Extract the oink oink. Anyways, moving on, potatoes go in. Only potatoes, we're frying these guys, frying the shit out of them. I'm just joking, not frying the shit out of them, but 4 to 7 minutes, get them nice and golden brown. This is enough time for them to cook fairly well, but eyeball it for yourself. Next, we're gonna dice that bacon, that good old bacon, and it's because everything else is diced in this recipe, right? We're making breakfast potatoes. It's gotta be versatile, it's gotta be delicious. So keep an eye on these little taters. They are grilling, they're soaking up that oil, they're frying, whatever you wanna say. Next, 4 to 8 pinches of black pepper, 4 to 8, did I say inches? 4 to 8 pinches of salt, 4 to 8 pinches of granulated garlic, and then lastly, 4 to 8 pinches of smoked paprika. These will combine a beautiful flavor, kind of covering the sweet, the sour, not really the sweet, but you know, we got a nice balanced dish here, so that's all I'm saying. Make some room for the veggie boys. These little veggie guys, they go into one side of the pan. This is not fully necessary, but it'll help the veggies cook down a tiny bit before we mix it all together. So here, you know, got the veggies in, got everything in. We're gonna mix everything up well, just like we did with all the seasonings and our potatoes. Mix it all well and cook it for about 3 to 7 minutes on medium to low-high heat. I say these temperatures because you don't want to cook the veggies down so much. You want to get a nice sear on them, cook them down a tiny bit, but not fully translucent. And last but not least, the star of the dish, that beautiful bacon. Throw that bad boy in and mix it all up. Plate and enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you dearly. Have a great breakfast and enjoy your day. Cheers.